All right, we are here at the historic Brown Hotel, Louisville, Kentucky. Look at this lobby. It's beautiful. There's a gift shop right there, but we're gonna ride these elevators here, which appear to have already been modernized. Get a pic of that. Here we go. Very beautiful cab overall. All right, let's go to 16. I think it's unlocked. Oh, it's open. Wow. Here we go. Wow, that was fast. Look at that. These are beautiful. Look at these things. Look at that light fixture. That's pretty cool. Hey. These have been modded apparently. These are innovation of some sort. But these are surprisingly unlocked, and I don't know how. But here we are at 1. Let's just take one ride. Here we go. Wow, that is insane fast. Look at that. Panel seems a bit low to the ground. Hey, these are really loud. These are fast. Wow. There it goes, and that's it. Well, why don't we look at the lobby? Look at this lobby. Very beautiful. Well, that's it.